Kuya Aizen enters the dining room looking exhausted, and everyone can sense something is wrong. He sits quietly at the table. Nanay can see that Kuya Aizen is irritated but remain calm, giving advice without being consumed by the pressure.
Pagod ka anak, may problema ba sa school?
Hindi lang naman sa school na parang ang daming problema nagkakasin.
Ano ba yun lang?
Ang daming requirements, ang hirap mo gawin, parang wala na ako oras sa sarili.
Naiintindihan ka, pero minsan kailangan natin aminin sa sarili natin ang tayo. Pero kaya mo yun lang.
Ate Mira, who is also feeling down about her own workload, decided to motivate herself by focusing on the positive and helping her brother.
Ano bang unang kailangan?
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung nagsisimulan ko.
Pero kuya, hindi na ito organize your class
Bunso Christine starts crying because she feels left out of the conversation.
Parang wala nang may time sa akin. Laging kay kuya. Naintindihan kita, Christine. Alam mo, talagang ito. Pero matanda namin lahat. Alam mo ang problema.
Mira helps the family balance their emotion, bringing everyone together.
I should help you to manage your class. Ate, upay mo na doon. Christine, huwag ka mag-alala. Ano lang ang nangyayaan mo?
Oo nga, Christine. Sorry pag natapos ako, laruin natin yung favorite mong game.